Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today, to take a look at the latest display from Philips, this is the Momentum 3000. This video is sponsored by the new Dodge S98 dual screen double fun with Android 12, a smart rear display, a 20 megapixel night vision camera, 64 triple rear camera, and a lot more. Don't forget to check the link down below, which at the moment of the recording is still not available for sale. Nonetheless, I will leave two links down below, one of which is for the product page with all the technical specifications, and the other one, as soon as it becomes available, there will be prices and whatnot. Now, that being said, I've reviewed quite a few devices and I've used the Momentum 3000 in some PCs, including this one right over here, which I will leave a link down below as well, just out of curiosity. We have done Windows updates, Mac OS, Macintosh on this, using the display as well. So some links on the YouTube cards, some links on the description down below. The Momentum 3000 is an IPS panel with 27 inches and a maximum resolution of 1080 with 160 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, which is, in my opinion, something really awesome for someone that wants a gaming display with 27 inches and the specs right on top. Now, I would say that it's not only for gaming. If you ask me, hey Robert, could I edit videos, for example? I would say yes, just as you are editing videos up to 1080. If you are editing 4K, then I would have to suggest a 4K display, but for 1080 gaming, streaming and editing, just top notch. This is an IPS panel, so we will have really great colors right over here, vibrant, nice, with anti-reflex coat, which we can see when I point it to my strong lights here on the office, and it gives a great working scenario. But have in mind that the image that I can transmit to that side, it's always with a loss. What I see with my eyes is a lot better. Both the display and the stand are very lightweight, and usually we tend to attribute lightweight to lack of quality, which is not the case. It's really well built but lightweight. We can just pick it up and take it anywhere. The stand is made of a metal. I do believe that it's aluminium. It has an aggressive look with these non-curved edges, and we can adjust it on height, and we can rotate it to the sides, and we can also, if we want to, of course, use it as a secondary monitor in the vertical position, which in some scenarios is really useful. We can also use the Visa mount, which is optional, and we can put on our wall or put on any stand that we already have in our office or in our studio. By the way, before I forget, it also has on the back a cable management system, which works really nice. When we push the display up and down, the cables just scroll right over here and they are clean. And on the back we will find two HDMI 2.0 and one DisplayPort 1.2. And that just means that we will have 1080 with 165 Hz maximum on any of the inputs. We will also have a audio output 3.5 millimeters, and we can also use the audio that it's integrated on the display. The audio is not bad at all, but I would not exchange on any display, with the exception of the Momentum that we have seen here on the channel, 55 inches if I'm not mistaken, but it has a sound bar, and that is an awesome display with an awesome sound. In that particular case, I do not suggest any other sound system, but on any other display that I've seen, yes, the audio is not bad, but I would suggest for gaming headset or to listen music, something like I've got right over here on like some audio monitors. Now, in terms of the menu, which is the last thing that we need to see right over here, the menu is simple to use. We have a joystick at the back, we'll have some options on the input, and then we also have the smart image, which basically are color presets that we can choose from. And then on the menu itself, we will have the gaming options, adaptive sync, MPRT, crosshairs and things like that. We also have the low blue mode. We have here the input mode, so there is twice a shortcut and then here that option. We have image adjustments like brightness, contrast and sharpness. We also have the size image that we can change. Then the audio control, the color temperature, language, which obviously English is present, also my main language, which is Portuguese, it's also present, and then the menu options, finally the setup and factory reset. Now in terms of the design, as you could see by some images, the bezels are really thin. I do love the design. It is a simple display at the front, simple display at the back, really nice stand, lightweight, with a look that it's a bit aggressive, but it gets height. So if I want to have it more aggressive, I just push it to the top and I will see the stand. But if I want to keep it simple, I just put it down and it will be as a non-aggressive display, I would say. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.